Hi, I'm April with WTI.
And this mirror by TETOTE is the ultimate upgrade for any bathroom.
I absolutely love the lighting options as they are not only front and backlight, but also 3 different lighting colors and steepness levels, which are really helpful to help brighten things up. I can now have just the right amount of light to make sure I look my best. I really like how pretty it looks with its modern, sleek aluminum framing that is waterproof and dust resistant. I really appreciate that its reflection is so crystal clear, and I have gotten so many compliments on how nice it looks and the fact that it's a smart mirror. So smart that it has a defogging setting that is so fast and energy efficient, and it also has a 1-hour auto shutoff function, which is so helpful for me. I am so obsessed with this mirror, but that's just my point of view.